In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. By adding a WhatsApp link, you can make it easier for your friends, family, or followers on Facebook to contact you directly through the popular messaging app. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on your name at the top. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Then scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see an option called Links. Simply tap Add to add a link. And then tap on the Add Social Link button. Then tap here and select WhatsApp as the platform. Then tap here and type in your phone number associated with your WhatsApp. Make sure to include the country code, but don't include a plus or spaces. Once you've typed that in, make sure your social links are set to public. If it's set to only me or friends, change it to public. Then tap Save to save changes and finish the process. Now, anyone who visits your Facebook profile can easily contact you through WhatsApp by clicking on the link you have added. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.